guys, hi, this is Steve again from Steve Local channel, and today I'm gonna do another fishing vlog. And yeah. Oop. All right. Okay, so sorry guys, so I kind of skipped my video. Well, the good news is that yeah, fish on tayo guys. All right. Okay, so what happened is that we just set up our rod, and we just place it just under the bridge there, or not bridge, but just sa ilalim lang. And what happened is that we just caught this one. I don't know what kind of fish is this, pero good news. Well, fish on, and good news is that wala pa na zero. So muna. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the hook now. Alright, there we go. So we just use a long nose that we pick up on our sabalay, and yeah. Alright, so it's gonna be hard to do everything, so just place it here. Alright. Alatan. So we caught alatan. One alatan. So just check later if we can catch like 10 more, hopefully. So stay tuned guys.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we just have someone here caught a fish, and Manong caught actually like 2. Whoa. Yes. Alright, another one. So yeah, Manong caught 2. Just one par, I think. Oh. Setting the rail here. So wala. So okay. At least we didn't get 0 here.
One eternity later.
That's it guys, so stay tuned for my videos come, and I hope to see you soon, and please hit like and share, and thank you so much for watching Steve Local channel, and you have a great fishing day. Bye for now.